all and see how it works. So let's open it. Okay, let's start with opening it. Over here. And slowly. Does it come out yet? Wow! Would you look at this bad boy I got here? So, they say they got the dots in this watch. Oh, look at this. There are the dots. Okay, let me just cut it open. Oh, so nice. I love these Nerf guns, and this is a new model I'm trying out today, so let's see how it works. Alright, let's load in the bullets. Okay, one, come on, and that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. There we go. Let's lock and load. Can you see my dots loaded? I'm ready. Are you ready? Let's roar! Did you see that? Like, share and subscribe to my videos for the next toy review. Bye for now.